Hello, Paul again here from EMD. Today we have the Porsche with the actual oil cooler problem. So we had to strip down all the arms and all that stuff so we can get this actually oil cooler replaced. So this is the brand new oil cooler here. Brand new oil cooler is that one there. Basically there with the actual mark. It's not leaking, no more leaks coming out. There's no more leak coming out at the bottom. No more coolant leak, oil leaks. Now I've loosened that little one there. That's your level. So you got to fill it up until oil comes out from there at 30 degrees. So I've got 28 degrees, 27, 28, 29 degrees actually. About 30, 34, 33 degrees I'll start filling it up. And the filler is here. And the drain is there. And the oil level is there. So once you see oil level coming out from the top one there, you can actually plug it back in. After this, I'm going to take it to the actual wash bay and give it an under wash to pretty much wash everything down here from before. Nice and clean, and give the car a wash as well to get all these marks off the car as well. Give it a nice wash, and I'll take it for a road test. But the oil leaks and coolant leaks are fixed. All I gotta do now is top up the oil, and pretty much that's it. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.